2024 VW GLI 40th anniversary of you know what. We got a full custom CATBACK on this thing. We're running a full upgraded pipe, vibrant resonator, splitting in the back for the Y pipe to get the duals out the back. The new GLIs all have dual exhaust out the back now, so if you're looking for a better look, you hit us up. We can swap out the tips, we can swap out the mufflers, we could delete the mufflers, we could do a full CATBACK like we're doing on this thing. The next upgrade I would recommend for this would be an air intake, maybe a high flow catted downpipe, a tune in the future. These things really wake up. This is basically a 4-door GTI, but nicer. At the back, we're just running the Y pipe, splitting the two pipes, running these 5-inch G exhaust carbon fibers. Looking sweet. These things are gonna look pimp out the back. You got a massive cutout out the back, so we need something to fill out that whole cutout. 5 inches is the way to go. Especially the carbon fiber. It's gonna look sweet on the white car. Black carbon fiber with G exhaust logo, red and white. I think it's gonna look great, guys. What do you guys think?
Don't do it for the drama. You want to be my...
Got the GLI done, got the tips set, carbon fiber, 5-inch. This thing's looking great. I mean, huge cutout on the back end. We want to try to fill out that cutout as much as possible. So you could go with like a set of 4-inch, a little bit small in my opinion, 4.5, a little bit bigger, fills out the cutout a little bit more, but 5-inch, that's what it looks like. I think it looks great, guys. Fills out the whole cutout, like I said, and sounds great. So we got this VW GLI, brand spanking new, almost no miles on this thing. This guy left the VW dealership just to pull up to us. You got a pretty sick interior. You got like this geochromatic stitching on the seats. I don't even know what that is, guys. It's pretty sick. GLI 40, thing's sweet. Got a new full redesign on these VWs. Yeah, just a good looking car, guys. I mean, you really can't get much more car for the money. You got GLI turbo. You got this weird third pedal. I don't know what that's for. That's got to be new. I don't know what this third pedal is, guys. Maybe you can let me know in the comments. But yeah, usually only cars have 2 pedals. I mean, this one's got 3, you know, and then a foot stand. So, I mean, we'll figure that out. I mean, it doesn't really do much. So, kind of weird, but what can you do, guys? So, we got the full CATBACK done. It's all 2.5-inch piping. Got a vibrant resonator in the midsection. High flow Y pipe in the back to split the 2 tips for the carbon fiber G exhaust 5 inchers. So sounds good. Hell yeah. Look at this wood grain on this thing. This thing's pimp. Got the red stitching on the leather, and then you got the red finish on the wood grain. Yeah, this car's pretty sweet, man. The next upgrade I would recommend is the air intake. AFE makes a really sweet intake for this car. So just to show you what the stock air intake looks like, it's pretty basic, stock VW box. They all pretty much look like this, especially if it's a turbo 4-cylinder engine, but this box is completely garbage. It's not maximizing performance. So if you want to get a little bit more torque, a little bit more acceleration, a little bit more horsepower, air intake and exhaust, complete the air cycle. Better airflow in means better airflow out. So your exhaust is more efficient, your air intake's pulling more airflow to the turbos because it is a turbo car, they run off air. So next upgrade, my recommendation is go to gexhaust.com, type in you want an air intake for your VW, year, make, and model, boom, populated with new VW air intakes. So AFE, my recommendation, you could go with AEM, K&N, we have them all on the website. Let us know if you have any questions, guys. G Exhaust out.